Time goes by with its unrelenting flow, changing all that it touches. New times bring new things, from bullock carts to horse-drawn carriages, to cars, trains, aeroplanes, and finally rockets. Man changes with time, and so does his sources of entertainment. How did the Potua fare in these ever-changing times? She still sings of Durga, the symbol of power, the 10-handed goddess who killed the dreaded Mahishasur. Will this new world listen to her song?
Durga Durga Tara Maga Dushka Vilasini Durjaya Dakhine Kali Naganda Nandini Das Bahu Chundi Mayer Das Dike Sathe Ki Nayan Jaleche Mayer Kapaleri Maje